CC.3, evaluate explicit formulas for sequences. So this is going to be a formula. It's going to tell you what number to start off with. It says find the first three terms of the sequence defined below, where n represents the position of the term in the sequence. Start with n equals 1. So it's asking you to do 2 times 4 to the 1, 2 times 4 to the 2, 2 times 4 to the 3, because it has 3 blanks. We're doing it 3 times. The first thing you would do is do the exponent, and 4 to the 1 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. You do the exponent first. 4 to the second is 16, times 2 is 32. You do the exponent first. 4 to the third is 64, times 2 is 128, and those are the numbers that are going to go into the blocks. So -5 times 1 plus 9, -5 times 2 plus 9, and -5 times 3 plus 9. That's what it's asking you to do. Just change that n to the next number. So -5 plus 9 is 4. -10 plus 9 is -1. -15 plus 9 is -6. -7 times 1 plus 10. -7 times 2 plus 10. -7 times 3 plus 10. I have to do it 5 times because there's 5 blocks. So -7 times 4 plus 10, and -7 times 5 plus 10. So this would be -7 plus 10, which would be 3. -14 plus 10, which is -4. -21 plus 10 is -11. Look at these numbers. See if you can see a pattern going on. So maybe you don't have to do all of the work every single time if you see a formula like this. So -28 plus 10 is -18. -35 plus 10 is -25. Do y'all see a pattern? They're going up by 7, right? Or actually going down by 7 because you're getting more negatives. So I wonder what in that formula would make it go down 7 every single time. I'll let you think about it. If you can figure it out, use it to your advantage. Okay, we have 4 answers in this. We have -8 times 1 squared plus 1 minus 2. -8 times 2 squared plus 2 minus 2. -8 times 3 squared plus 3 minus 2. -8 times 4 squared plus 4 minus 2. 1 times 1 is 1, times -8 is -8, plus 1 minus 2. -10 plus 1 is -9. 2 times 2 is 4, times -8 is -32, plus 2 minus 2, those cancel out, so it'd be -32. 3 times 3 is 9, times -8 is -72, plus 3 minus 2 is 1, so minus 71. I'm going to have to write this one down. Let's see, 4, 128. That'd be plus 2, so minus 126. Or you can use your calculator. Don't want you to think on your own on it any. We find the fourth term of the sequence described below, where n represents the position of a term in the sequence. So see this says an n, and this is 4. So the 4 is replacing the n, so the 4 is going to replace that n. So basically it's just telling you what number to plug into the n. Okay, so we have 84, -2 to the third. -2 times -2 times -2 is -8. 32, carry the 3, 64, 67 with a negative.